now we need to fuel the pickup harvester. Done! Let's thresh the reaped weeders and load them into the grain truck. Now let's wash the pickup harvester. We did it! We need to assemble a grain truck. Don't stop! Let's fuel the grain truck. That's all. Let's make flour from the collected grains. We need to wash the grain truck. Keep it up. Let's assemble a flour truck. We did it! Let's fuel the flour truck. Don't stop! Let's bake bread from the flour and bring it to the store. Great! We managed to grow wheat and bake delicious bread.